Look at you.
You can lunge himself out of there if he wants.
Yeah. Yeah. Danny's a big pool. Forget this little thing. I'm ready to cash out of this.
Splash and splash and splash. Splash, Drew.
Is it it?
You get to sit on Megan's lap.
What do you think?
Yeah, did you get a picture of that?
Drew sitting on Megan's lap.
Little height difference.
She's like, what do I do now?
For safety reasons, it should be the other way around. Is that fun, Megan?
She has a big drop of water right between her eyes. Yeah, right between her eyes.
I just turned it off.
She's used to total immersion with Sarah. She like takes the cup of water and pours it over her face.
I do not.
Do you like that hippo? It's pretty fun.
I turned the water off.
Megan's just like, alright, that's cool. Whatever.
Well, I need to put the water back on.
Megan. Megan. Hi. Are you having fun in the water?
What you have, Drew? What you have?
I want something too. I want that guy in there too.